Nadine Wilkins here, and I'm excited to jump on and have a conversation with my entrepreneurial moms who I know right now in this moment, you are getting things ready for the week, but I wanted to jump on and just share a couple of tips that I've been able to implement in my family that has made things so much easier with balancing it all. So now it's Sunday, right? You're getting ready for virtual learning. You're getting ready for homeschooling. You know, you may be in a position where you're able to work from home, maybe not, but there's so much that you are trying to manage and the time that you have available. So your time is so important. And one thing that I've learned along the way in being an entrepreneur and being on this journey is just how important my time is, and also why it's so important to take things off of my plate that does not serve me or doesn't work, or it's not working to help me serve my clients. So what do I mean by that? So Sunday, right? This is and I posted, I said unsexy, but one of my friends actually commented and said, you know, that's actually the part that makes being an entrepreneur very sexy, right? Like having a schedule so, you know, that works for you, where you can have joy at the end of the day. You'll have freedom at the end of the day. So what are some things that I have personally taken off of my plate? Number one, shopping, right? Like, and when I say shopping, meaning going to the grocery store. So we literally, and it's only because I put in my order really late yesterday. So Whole Foods was able to deliver the food, our food for the week. But there are a few items that I need that I can only find at ShopRite, right? And so we actually picked that up. So I just think about how much time I used to spend Whole Foods, ShopRite, Costco, right? Like family of 5, you know, 3 growing boys, and you guys know what I mean by growing boys, right? And now that everyone's home, oh my God, they're in the refrigerator all the time, right? So that is one thing that I used to spend at least 1 or 2 hours a week doing, that I no longer plan on walking into anyone's grocery store, especially when I can literally do it right from my phone, you know, place the order, double check what I need, so that, you know how you go in and you're getting double things that you actually don't need because you have more than enough at home. That's one thing that you can totally take off of your plate. Another thing is, what else are you doing in your business that you don't need to do, that you can outsource, that you can partner with a team member, right? That you can hire someone to do for you in the business that will allow you more time to not just, you know, be in your business, but also spend your time doing the things that's going to yield the biggest result for it, not just for your clients, but also for you. Where at the end of the day, burnout does not happen. Like, who do you need to hire? Maybe you need to hire a virtual assistant, right? Maybe you need to hire a sitter so that you can get a couple of hours a week to do the things that you feel will move your business forward. So I just wanted to jump on and share that word. I hope it makes a difference for you. Taking a look at your work week this week. What is one thing that you do that you no longer need to do, that you can, you know, hire someone or assign for someone else to do? So you can definitely drop that in a comment. I hope the information has been helpful. And if you want more tips like this, you definitely want to go to my website, workwithnadine.com. And I look forward to sharing more information like this with you. Take care. God bless, and have an awesome weekend.